So today I'm going to show you how to make a steampunk-inspired Halloween pair of earrings. And what I have here is a dragonfly charm, 4mm jump ring, a 3/4 inch section of chain, an eye pin, a gear, one spider bead, 6mm jump ring, and another 4mm jump ring with a lever back ear wire, but you can use any type of ear wire you prefer. So to start, I'm going to open my jump ring. And I'm going to slide on my dragonfly and one end of the chain. Sometimes it wiggles around. There we go. Close up that jump ring. And then I'm going to lay that down for a minute. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eye pin, I'm going to open it up, so I'm going to slide it from side to side. There we go. And I'm going to take the other end of that chain and slide that onto the open eye pin. And then slide that closed. Then I'm taking my spider and sliding it onto the eye pin. And now I'm going to fold that over, taking my wire cutters and snipping it right about there. And round nose pliers, I'm going to make my simple loop. And now I'm ready to open up my 6mm jump ring. And slide that on there. And take my gear, slide it in there. And take my 4mm jump ring, slide that all on together. There we go. And open up my ear wire loop here. And I want to grab that 4mm jump ring. There you go. But we got to make sure we've got that all facing the right way. Yes, we do. Okay. That neatly closed. All you have to do is repeat the process, and there you have it, a pair of steampunk-inspired Halloween earrings.